So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do is to just scroll and try to search for apps and notification. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. Now, what you have to do over here is to wait for it to load, and after loading, you're going to see your apps. So tap on the see your apps when it appears. After tapping on see your apps, you're going to see it's loading as you can see on the screen. What you have to do next is to search for Boomplay. So just scroll and you're going to find Boomplay over here. Tap on it. When you tap on it, what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache, then you clear the cache by tapping on clear cache. Now go back and tap on for stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction on other device, then make sure the background data is toggled on. Now go back and tap on notifications and make sure every notification is toggled on, which is the show notification. Now what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So tap on the Google Play Store and make sure you get the latest update of Boomplay. So you have to get the latest update and you have to let it be like this open. So after doing that, what you have to do is to restart your device.